Hi guys, I'm gonna teach you how to make my dragon claws. I made it by myself. This is what all you need. Just a paper, one sheet. Let's start making the dragon claws. I gotta take this off.
Okay, take it out.
It's so hard.
I'll help you take it off. Just put it aside.
Then I can do it by myself now.
Okay. Okay, those are the dragon claws. Okay, show us how to do it.
You gotta fold it like this.
Okay.
It's hard. It's super hard for me. It's hard for you. Okay. Hey.
Ate is showing us how to do dragon claws.
Mommy, it's hard. I need to fold it like this.
Okay,
You
should be.
fold it like this.
Okay, all the way. Okay.
All the way like that.
And then fold it.
Then fold it like this.
Okay. It's like triangle.
It's like a triangle. Then you do this.
Okay. Fold the both sides.
And this right here.
Okay.
Then you fold it like this.
Okay.
And then like this. It's like this.
Okay, you show us first.
Then you gotta fold like this.
Okay.
Then this.
Twice.
You gotta do it twice. And then do this. Flip it upside down like this.
Okay.
And fold this part. And then put it in.
So you just fold it twice like that?
Yeah, you fold it twice.
And you insert that. Put it inside there.
Now you put it inside there. And then you got your claw. You put it in, you put your fingers here. And then here's your claw.
Oh, that's how you make it.
Just one sheet of paper. You can do the rest. And this is how you make a dragon's claw.
That's a big claw.
It's big. And that's it for today.
Okay.